famous artists of America. I paint things you can see every day, like tall buildings. I was born on July 22nd, 1882. Most people didn't accept my painting, just like the famous artist Annie Warhol. Once I even painted a picture of a dog in the doghouse, and other things. My most famous painting is Nighthawks. It shows a tea shop, the shopkeeper, and two people drinking tea. Some people think that my painting is very mysterious. Now let me tell you a little bit about my childhood. When I was a little boy, my father owned a dry goods shop. He sold dry goods to people who were traveling. Both my mother and father encouraged me and my only sister Mary to keep drawing and painting. When I was in 6th grade, I grew to be 6 feet tall and spent most of my time in my room drawing, painting, or reading. Well, as you might not have known, I married an artist myself, Josephine Hopper. She poses in most of my paintings. I might change her hair color or what she wears. People did not accept my paintings because they weren't very exciting and there weren't many people in them. And you could say they were a bit boring. I painted this painting, Wings by the Sea, in 1951. At that time, I was impressed by the surrealist works of art, so I made this painting, Wings by the Sea, a surrealist work of art. Now you will be asking me, well, what does surrealism mean? A surrealist piece of art is a piece of art. That piece of art has an element of surprise. This element of surprise is often shown by an optical illusion. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, then how does this piece show surrealism? This piece shows surrealism, and this is how. From the angle where I painted it from, it looks like when you step out of the door, you will fall into the ocean. But you cannot see the steps or ladder that leads down to the ocean from there. I painted this painting in 1961, and I died at the age of 85, on May 15, 1961. Thank you for coming tonight, ladies and gentlemen.